The regulations which at the moment have a major impact are in the area of compliance, anti-financial crime. So for example, let me quote the European funds transfer regulation with regard to controlling information of ordering clients and beneficiary clients, which came into force mid of this year. Then going forward, clearly we see reporting of intraday liquidity, where banks have been investing into providing better liquidity information to their clients. There is more to come, and here I would like to give the example of ISO 20022 formats becoming mandatory in all important real-time gross settlement systems, which clearly has an impact on correspondent banking. And last but not least, there is the area of cybersecurity, with SWIFT mandating the customer security program on all banks in 2017 and 18. In the area of AFC, KYC regulations, it is 100% compliance with zero tolerance. And learning from the experiences with regard to the payments that we receive from our clients and our counterparties. That means we need better structured data for ordering clients, beneficiary clients, etc., in order to reduce false positive rates. And we need to work together with regard to how can we come to better structuring the data in new message formats such as ISO 20022. On ISO 20022, the development that the leading payment market infrastructures will make ISO 20022 mandatory over, say, the next 3 to 4 years means something for us in correspondent banking, i.e. that we need to collaborate in order to bring ISO 20022 also into the correspondent banking space in an effective and also cost-efficient manner. Last but not least, in the area of customer security program that SWIFT is making mandatory, we should work together as leading correspondent banks and leading transaction banks in a framework that defines on, can we define standards of how we consume those customer security program data from our clients purely on a need-to-know basis. Absolutely yes. So as regards ISO 20022 new formats, we would like to see and we expect to see a harmonized implementation plan of the leading real-time gross settlement systems, RTGSs, in the area of how will we structure customer data, payment data. In the new world of ISO 20022 in correspondent banking, we would like to see support on initiatives like how can we implement the legal entity identifier in an economic and effective manner. These are only two examples. We need more collaboration on many fronts. And one example is a full adoption of the SWIFT KYC registry in order to have better counterparty data and to match this with the developments of the customer security program and other initiatives which are going on at this point in time.